Hey Tartlets! The most wonderful time of the year is here, and no, I'm not talking about the holidays. Our custom kit sale is happening right now on Tarte.com. You can get 7 full-size products for just $63. I've got my kit right here, so come get ready with me. Okay, so as part of the kit, you get to choose a bag. I went with the classic black. We do have more colorful ones to choose from, and I really like this one because it's got a little bit of stretch to it, and I'm notorious for overpacking, so this is perfect for traveling over the summer. So the first product is foundation. I went with our babassu foundcealer, and I wear the shade 38S Medium Tan Sand. I love medium coverage, I love a natural radiant finish, and then this is also skincare infused to keep my skin looking youthful, so it just checks every box off the list. I like to start out by dotting my foundation around the face, really just concentrating on any areas where there's redness or discoloration. This formula can be blended with a brush for more medium coverage. Today I'm going for a more natural look, so I'm gonna buff it out with the Quickie blending sponge. Pro tip, sponges should be replaced every 3 months, just like a toothbrush, so if it's been a while, this is your sign to get one with your kit. Next I went with the creaseless concealer in the shade 34G, so one shade lighter to brighten, and this has a radiant finish as well, so it pairs perfectly with the babassu foundcealer. So you don't need a lot, just one dot, and for this concealer, I actually love to use the warmth of my fingertips to press it into the skin. Onto the eyes. How cute is this Glamazon eyeshadow palette? All these colors are so versatile and user-friendly, and of course they're infused with Amazonian clay, so they're gonna wear true to color, they're gonna blend like a dream, and you're gonna get that 12-hour power. I'm just doing an easy everyday eye, so I'm gonna start by blending the shade Botanical into the crease. Now adding a little bit of the shade Utopia onto the lid, and just finishing up with a little bit of the shade Bliss on the inner corner and under the arch of the brow to highlight. For mascara, I had to go with our award-winning Maneater mascara. I love full voluptuous volume when it comes to mascara, and this wand has over 500 bristles, so it's just finding every single lash. This formula is also waterproof and flake-free, so perfect for summer if you plan on hanging by the pool or hitting the beach. Rounding out my kit with one of my favorite lippies, our Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil in the shade Fresh Pressed. It has a sheer tint, so it sort of just enhances the natural lip tone, and it's an oil, so super nourishing and non-sticky. Just popping everything back in here. Definitely head to Tarte.com so you can pick out your custom kit. This is our best sale of the year, so the perfect time to treat yourself and stock up on your favorites for summer. Also, this year you can purchase 2 kits, so get one for yourself and then maybe surprise your mom, your best friend, or someone special by building a custom kit that you know they're gonna love. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you're getting in your custom kit, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.